Hello, I'm your I2 coach. In this video, we'll walk through how to create and manage events inside the venue portal. You'll learn how to create and organize events, how to attach tickets and passes, where to find event reporting and management tools, and how to use tournaments to group events together. The events section is where you'll build and manage the individual events your customers will attend. There are three main tabs available: Calendar View, List View, and Tournaments. Let's begin by creating a new event. You can create an event by selecting Create New Event or by simply double-clicking an open space on the calendar. When creating a new event, it's important to review each of the three setup tabs. The General Information tab contains your basic event details. The Season/Reserved Seating tab allows you to associate the event with an existing season and configure reserved seating if applicable. The Sponsor Information tab allows you to display sponsor branding associated with the event. Once you've completed each section, click Save Changes. After the event has been created, open it again by either double-clicking it in Calendar View or selecting Edit Event from List View. You'll now see several additional tabs used to manage the event. Let's start with Tickets. Select New Ticket to either attach one of the reusable ticket templates you created earlier or create a new ticket specifically for this event. Next is Linked Passes. This is where you'll attach any existing passes that should grant admission to this event. Once linked, customers with those passes will be able to use them for entry. The Report tab provides a summary of your event sales, including products sold, quantities, revenue, and whether each purchase was made online or through point of sale. The Credit Card Sales tab displays every individual credit card transaction associated with the event. You'll also notice a report button attached to each individual ticket and pass. This allows you to quickly view reporting for a specific product without reviewing the entire event. If you'd like to offer promotional pricing, select discount codes and complete the setup form to create a discount code for your event. You may also notice delete buttons throughout the system. Events and tickets can only be deleted if no sales have been recorded. One of the biggest time-saving features is Duplicate. If you've configured your first home game correctly, you can duplicate it for the remainder of your schedule instead of rebuilding each event from scratch. Simply duplicate the event, drag and drop it onto the correct date, and update the opponent or event name. If an event is rescheduled, you can also drag and drop it to a new date on the calendar. All associated tickets and sales remain connected to that event. Selecting an event once also provides quick access to reporting, along with copy and duplicate options. Copy opens the event setup screen so you can immediately make changes before saving. Duplicate creates an identical event directly on the calendar. Finally, let's look at tournaments. A tournament is simply a collection of related events. Creating a tournament allows customers to view multiple events together on a single online page. To create one, click Create Tournament, complete the setup form, then use the Events tab to select the events you'd like included. If your tournament also offers passes, use the Passes tab to attach the appropriate tournament passes. Pro tip: use a consistent naming convention for your events. We recommend naming events using the sport followed by the opponent. For example, football versus Team A, baseball versus Team B. This makes building an entire season schedule much faster and keeps your calendar organized. You now have a basic understanding of how to create, manage, and organize events within the venue portal. Let's move on to point of sale.